as I said, this is a video for my fellow plant keepers about how to keep each type of plant nice and healthy. So, first of all, this is a rubber plant, and as you can see, if the leaf is too green, it means it's so young and it grows not that fast. It takes time and patience. If you have that, only plant this tree, and you should, and you can plant it in a pot if you want to. And I have a big one in my house. I keep it in a pot because it looks good. And this thing, this is also a leaf, don't worry. And as you can see here, this thing is a guava plant. See, this makes me happy, man. Little leaves. When it gets big, it will give us fruits. I had one, a big one here. It gave us like fruits this big, the size of my palm. This is roughly my size of my hand, so it's not that big. It needs to be almost this size to give us fruits. Pretty big, huh? And there's another one. This one grows leaves very fucking fast. You see all this? Only 3 months. It barely had any leaves on this branch. See? It's growing fast as hell. And if you want to keep your guava plants healthy, plant it in like outdoors so they can get as much sunlight as they can and much water as they can. If you don't live in a dry region, you see all this, it's wet because it rained yesterday. You see this moss off topic there a bit. And these are 15 years old, these trees. Let's move on to the next. As you can see, this is a flower plant, and I bought this for $1. It was small at first, and now it got big. It looks healthy as hell because we keep it in a big size still. It gets enough sunlight to live like a beast. As you can see, this is a flower, sorry, a bud, and I will show you how it looks. I think it will be white. And this, yeah, most people keep it indoors. I have 2 in there, big ones, and as you can see, that's a whole plant. So I will not just go there with these on. And this, as you can see, this is a big thing. Yeah, you can, if you are Indian, we like worship these. These are characteristics of gods. And I have more and more and more to show you. And you see this here is a jade plant. And one thing about jade plants, you have to keep it, or you can keep it in a small pot. Don't get amazed by big pots. This is the healthiest place where it can grow, a small pot. And these need a fuck ton of sunlight, so I will recommend to keep them outdoors. Like it was in there because it rained yesterday, so hard it will like, don't give this thing water like flood. Yeah, it will probably die in like about 2 days. You see all this growth? Yeah, proper sunlight and new ones growing here. This whole pot is gonna be full soon. Happy for that. Let me just show you indoors. We have a lot of plants. So this little thing I showed you yesterday, pretty cool, huh? And let's move on to this. You know, this plant you can just keep it in water, or you can just plant it like I did, with some fertilizer plus soil and some sand if you have them. If you have some, you can plant it with it. And let me show you what type of you should buy. I have a bag of them here. You see this, It's a proper fertilizer. It's made of cow manure and coconut shells. Oh, a little one. So this costed me $3. It's cheap in India for 5 kilos. You saw all those pots? Yeah, those all have them. All these two, we like just throw them around it and give it some water, and it got boom, man. And I will recommend you these ones. Yeah, these are not berries. This is a system. Like, it's pollination is just like that. These have seeds in them. These will grow mature like these. Let me just show you one. You see this broke. Let me just cut it open and show you. You see this? Yeah, this is how it pollinates. It doesn't need insects. It just needs it to fall down, get buried in the mud, and it's all done Gucci. Yay. Nice one. Yeah, we use these to cut those leaves. So let me just show you more. No, I think I can't. It's in the house. My dad is here. You see all this greenery? Okay, you don't want those. Don't be happy too much. You don't want those because those will affect the growth and you can't even look at your plants normally. Like, you see this? Yeah, I just removed all the grass, but still some got back, and they always get back. So you make sure you you remove all that after 3 months. You should do this is fungus. And this is also flower. We have too much of those. So, and I want you to recommend some plants. If you like fruits and don't want to wait for long, mango trees will be great for you. You should buy at least one from this size, like 4 feet, and wait until they get like, oh shit, this is too big. Of course it is. And then you can, if you waited enough, like I did, 16 years, I'm 12 years old. These were planted way before I was born. You can have all that by yourself, for yourself. And waiting is the key to success in plant keeping. And I think this is it for this video. Like and subscribe, please. And if you have time, watch this 2 times, please. I know this channel is growing. Bye bye.